Looks cold, don't it? It is. Friday, January 7th, my sister's birthday, and it's cold out. And I'm just thinking about people that are outside in this cold weather. Trailatiers, homeless. And if we can offer shelter and help to people, we should. If we can help somebody that's hungry, if we can not yell at our kids, try to offer a hand to our enemies, we can erase this cold, and we can help each other. It's serious, man. This is life, y'all. We don't, the second chances and all that stuff. Give them. Try to be helpful. Please, it's cold out here. We can create sunshine together. Yeah, no doubt. Amen.